Hi there, Chris Kellett here with MuseGrid. Let's take a look at what's new in the 1.0.2 Design Kit release. So we've made some tweaks, see the release notes to see the tweaks that we've made to various widgets and some of the previous design patterns we released. But this time we've added some FAQ patterns. So they were requested quite heavily in our support group. So let's take a look at what we have here. So here we have the first FAQ one, and what we've done with the FAQs is we've used built-in Muse widgets to create these patterns. And this one here uses in particular the accordion panel widget. Let's take a look at what that looks like in preview. Just wait for Muse to catch up. So we have these nice accordion panels. So we have these different topics. So you would change the topic to say support or how to buy and so on. When you click on the accordion, you'll see that the accordion opens up with this really nice Q&A sections in. And we've created them so that they run in columns. That's what makes it a lot easier to work with responsive, and they look great when you open them up and they all work nicely together. So that's FAQ 1. Let's take a look at the additional FAQs in here. So I'm just going to do a search in the kit for FAQ. So let's have a look at number 2. So number 2, FAQ 2 is basically like an entire FAQ page layout. So with this you would let's pop that in that place there. So with this you would change out this image for a nice suitable FAQ image, some images here, maybe some icons to represent the different sections, and then we have those FAQ topic areas on the page as well. And if we drop down to, let's say, the 550 breakpoint, you can see how this entire page is ready to go with everything in place. So that's FAQ 2, and that's almost an entire FAQ page pattern ready to go. FAQ 3 uses the familiar accordions, but what we've done with this is change the look and feel. So let's take a look at that in preview. So we're still going with a 2-column split to make it really nice and easy to modify in the different breakpoints. But here we have an FAQ topic, and then we would have the question, and you click to open for the answer. So you have these really nice looking answers here, and then that keeps the page nice and neat. So that's FAQ number 3. Let's take a look at the next FAQ section. So FAQ 4 uses a 2-column split using the FAQ 3 accordion panels, but again we've turned this into almost an entire page layout ready to go. So we've got 2 different FAQ sections, one for users, one for developers. This could be modified to whatever you want, and then you can see that we're using a 4-up FAQ layout. So that would be an entire page. So let's remove this and take a look at the final FAQ pattern. So FAQ 5, what we did with this one is, rather than having the accordion usage, we've made this really straightforward and simple, and just a really nice, neat FAQ list. So we've got these icons running down the right-hand side, 2-column split, and then the question and the answer. So there's no accordion here, this is just typography. So that's the FAQ sections that we've added to the 1.0.2 release, and we think you'll find those really useful. Check out the release notes for all of the other tweaks and updates that we've made. Thanks for watching.